All right, 16, finger independence exercise. This trains how much independence, how much you can play with each finger. And third finger, fourth finger. How much independence, how much can this do, each finger do on their own without the help of the other ones, without playing them the other ones in sequence? So here we go. We're gonna look at finger independence. You're gonna start with all your fingers on C, D, E, F, G. Then your thumb's gonna go on its own. Holding the right hand, all these ones, you're gonna go C, 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 C. Maybe not that fast. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, like that. 1 and 2 and 3, all at the same time. Try not to go, don't split them. All at the same time, like a stamp. Like a stamp. All at the same time, evenly. And 2 and 3 and 4. And again, 1 and 2. Ready? We're gonna switch to 2. And 4 and lift. D, D, D. Get the hang of that. We're gonna do it again. D, D, go. D and 2 and 3 and 4 and go. E, E, 2 and 3 and 4. Go again. 3 and 2 and 3. This is gonna be the next one. 4. Here we go. 4 and 2. And this is the hardest one. And 4 and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go. G and 2 and 3. Don't lift the other ones. 4 again. And G and 2 and 3 and 4. Go down to F and 2. And this is where things probably gonna fall apart for you, but if not, good for you. 1, and this is where you wanna get to. And 3, and keep it even. 4, don't lift the other ones. And 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 3. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Go down to D, and 2, we're gonna end with C. 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. Not bad at all. So this probably felt really weird. You may have lifted some of these while you were playing the other ones, and some fingers might be lifting together. You don't want any of that. You want to go slower then. If you can't do it like this at this speed yet, go slower, because that will always help you be able to play when you have more control of the speed, control of your fingers, control of everything. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. I like to end on C. 2 and 3 and 4 and good. So notice what I did. I kept all the fingers there. They didn't budge. Only the one you need to lift budged. Okay, that's the goal. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, right? So you can take this to many different levels. Find the one that you're comfortable at first, that you can play evenly and accurately, and then you increase the speed to something that's hard. For me, my speed might be 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, right? Even there, I get messed up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so that's where I need to adjust that and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Uh-oh, that's wrong. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and so these are really beginner drills. These are drills that you should start as a beginner and keep up, and you can speed them up to be advanced. So don't think about these as like beginner drills. These are drills that you start now and keep developing till you stop, till you die. So that's what we're trying to do. So the next one right here is left hand. Same thing. We're gonna put C, B, A, G, F. Thumb on C, pinky on F. All the rest of it in between. So we're gonna go C and 2 and. So we're gonna start from the top. Here we go all the way to the bottom. Same thing that we did in the right hand. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and oh, that's a tricky one, isn't it? So this one and 2 and 3 again. This one again. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so for I feel it in the left hand. Left hand doesn't have as much finger independence as my right hand. So that's where we need to go again, go a little bit slower and for you to catch up as well. So here we go. 1 and 2 and 1, little bit slower, even slower. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4 and 1. Oh, see that? If that comes up, that's no good. So do it again. 1 and hold it down. That means that fourth finger was coming up with a pinky. You don't want that. Again. 1, and that's what you do when you see it happen, right? See what I'm doing. 3 and 4, and I'm just reinforcing it now, right? If that one catches you off guard, don't let it go. 3, drill it, repeat it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. It helps to count, it really does. And 1 and nod your head. 2 and 3, move and sync. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, good. So how did that feel? Kind of weird, right? Left hand's kind of weird, so kind of weak. So that's why we have to strengthen it. So I might actually spend more time on the left hand doing this than the right hand. Well, try to spend as much time as you can on both. You don't want to have one better than the other. You want to spend more time on this, reinforce it, and once you're ready to do that, then you can go a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 evenly though. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I'll repeat it, right? All the way back. Okay? So aim for evenness, go slow, and then increase the speed once you get even. All right? Good. So that's quite nice. That is a big one on its own. So 16 is one you want to repeat over and over again. That will increase your finger independence. Okay, that gives you more power for each finger, helps you develop each finger's ability to play on their own. So that's 16. Next one, 17, goes into triads. So triads talks about, a triad is 3 notes. Play it together. 1, 2, 3. Tricycle, 3 wheels, triad, 3 notes. Okay? So we learn triads and how they can be stacked. So you have C, E, G, for example. That's a triad. You have a third and a third, total of 1, 2, 3 notes, right? Then we also learn how this C can be moved up to C up here. E can be moved up to E up there and back up again. That's how we get. And that's the basis for. Right? So it's the basis for music. Triads, chords make up music. Scales as well. Triads, chords, scales, arpeggios, all that fun stuff. This is the beginning of it. We're getting into advanced technique real soon. You're going to be playing all kinds of fun stuff. We're going to learn this one by one, step by step in number 17. I will see you there.